Is it time to buy or sell PACS Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into PACS Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of September, 2025, our system has ranked PACS Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.27. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -5.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -14.15% to +5.06%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -78.23%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and -85.74% throughout the coming year. In practical terms, this would mean the future price could fall somewhere between $0 and $1.61. Our latest daily update for PACS Group includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for PACS Group Inc. as stock downgraded to sell candidate. The PACS Group Inc. stock price gained 1.34% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, rising from $11.17 to $11.32. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.22%, with a day low at $11.02 and a day high of $11.38. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.06% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 229,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 473,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $5,350,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $43.92, while the lowest price was $8.28. Currently, the price stands 74.23%, or $32.60, below the 52-week high of $43.92, which is also the all-time high for the stock. PACS Group is currently under significant scrutiny regarding corporate governance and accounting matters this summer. The company announced that it will restate previously issued quarterly financial statements for the periods ending on March 31st and June 30th, 2024. In addition, multiple law firms have initiated investigations and identified potential securities and fiduciary claims related to earlier disclosures, along with a securities complaint concerning certain purchasers from 2024. This legal and accounting uncertainty has contributed to extreme fluctuations in the stock price, including a one-day increase of over 21% on heavy trading volume in mid-June. Meanwhile, revisions to analysts' earnings estimates have become less favorable. In the short term, expect heightened volatility, spikes in trading volume, margin selling, and swings driven by headlines are likely as investors assess the implications of the restatement and the associated litigation risks. Looking ahead, the stock price will be influenced by the outcomes of these situations. A narrow, non-material restatement and the dismissal of claims would allow the fundamentals to take precedence and support a recovery in the stock. Conversely, significant accounting revisions, unfavorable legal rulings, or changes in management could permanently increase risk, diminish earnings visibility, and lower the valuation. Stay alert to SEC filings and court developments for indications of the direction this situation may take. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned PACS a buy grade alongside an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, Oppenheimer reported giving PACS an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, Stephens rated PACS as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup also rated PACS with a buy grade and a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 28th of June, 2024, Stephens gave PACS a underperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned PACS Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for PACS Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. The stock of PACS Group Incorporated currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $11.37 and $11.46. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivot points show a buy signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger Bands provide a buy signal from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 50 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for PACS Group. PACS Group Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.06. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a solid volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.35, or 3.22%, between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 3.87%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for PACS Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 8th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 470 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for PACS Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for PACS Group is at $12.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, PACS Group encounters its first support level at $11.06. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for PACS Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 15th of April, 2025, when Louis Michel Rene conducted an insider sale of 16,777 shares of common stock. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is PACS Group stock a good buy? PACS Group Inc. shows several negative signals and is currently within a wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis rating from a hold to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 9th of September, we expect PACS Group to open lower by approximately 8 cents and begin trading at $11.24. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.